Hello dear students, today we are going to meet John, an acrobat. You can see him performing on high swing. He can do many other activities, but do you know students, he cannot do many activities and many things as well. Page number 7, activity 3. See students, I am going to read out the passage for you. Listen to me carefully. John is an acrobat. He works in the great global circus. He practices very hard for his shows. He can perform on a high swing. He can ride a motorcycle. He can walk on a rope at a great height. But he cannot ride a horse. He cannot jump through a fire ring. He cannot play tricks like jokers. Now we have to complete this table. I am going to write the table and I am going to fill up these lines. Observe it carefully and fill it up in your textbooks. So he can perform on a high swing. Yes, here they have already given us and we are supposed to write down that sentence in the table. Students, તમે મારી સાથે લખી રહ્યા છો ને? Take your time અને ક્યાંય પણ એવું લાગે તો તમારા ટીચરને પૂછી શકો છો. Now, guess students, what is next? Yes, he can ride a motorcycle. I think now you already know this. So let's write this sentence in the space given in the table. He can ride a motorcycle. Be careful with the spelling, students. Now, what is next? Yes, next is he can walk on a rope. Yes, we can write that in the last space. Yes, so let's write he can walk on a rope. See students, I have written this and I know you all are writing with me. Am I correct? So let's see now what John cannot do. Right? Yes, what John can do that we have already written. So let's move what John cannot do. See, he cannot ride a horse. So we are supposed to write this sentence. Let's write this. He cannot ride a horse. Shall we move on, students? Yes. He cannot jump through a fire ring. Let's write this sentence in the table. He cannot jump through a fire ring. The last sentence is remaining. He cannot play tricks like jokers. Yes, we are supposed to write he cannot play tricks like jokers. So let's write that he cannot play tricks like jokers. Students, did you fill up your table? Now let's move on to the another activity. with the help of ruler, we can measure the length, right? We can measure the length. We can measure the length of a paper as well. Yes. Now, see, with the help of ruler, we can draw a straight line on the paper, right? You can see this, students? Yes. Now, the other thing what I can do with the ruler? Yes, I can tear this paper with the ruler. Yes, you can see this. I can tear this paper into two parts with the help of this ruler. So students, you have seen what I have done? Yes, with the help of ruler, I can measure the length. Yes, I can draw a straight line on the paper. I can tear a paper into two parts and I can use it as a paperweight so that the papers can't flew away. Right. I cannot eat my food with the help of this ruler. Right. I cannot drink water with the help of ruler. Right, students? I cannot fold this ruler like a paper. See, I can fold this paper, but I cannot fold this ruler. There are many other things which we cannot do with the help of ruler. I cannot write with the help of ruler. Yes, I cannot write with the help of ruler. I can write with the help of pen. There are many things which we can do with the help of this ruler and which we cannot do with the help of ruler.
એક્ટિવિટી 4માં તમારા પેટ ડોગ ટોમ વિશે એક નાનકડું ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન આપેલું છે, રાઈટ? યુ ટ્રાય ટુ રીડ ધેમ એન્ડ ધેન કમ્પ્લીટ ધ પેરેગ્રાફ થિંકિંગ અબાઉટ.
Students, let's start.
પેટ ડોગ છે ને એ તમારા માટે શું કરે છે, તમારા માટે શું નથી કરી શકતો, રાઈટ? એ બધું વિચારો અને યુ ટ્રાય ટુ fill up the blanks. Page number 8 in activity 5A. All those dialogues I am reading for you. You listen them carefully. Activity 5A. Read the two dialogues given below. 1. Pinky says, I am hungry. Mummy, can you give me some biscuits? Mummy says, here they are. Pinky says, thank you, Mummy. Thank you, Mummy. Naina says, I do not have a mobile. Can I use your mobile? Meena says, no, sorry. Naina says, it's okay. Understood these dialogues? Yes. Now see in activity B, complete and enact these dialogues. Here, these type of 3 dialogues are given, but somewhere you can see blanks. Here you have to write. Let's do that. We are starting from the second dialogue. Let's read. Rashmi says, my scooty has a problem today. I want to go to market. Can I? Now what will Rashmi ask? My scooty has a problem. That Rashmi told. My scooty has a problem. I want to go to market. Now can I? Yes. Can I use your scooty? Very good. Now be ready for the writing. Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Now what to write? Can I? Then yes. Very good. Use. S-E. Can I use your? Yes, Y-O-U-R. Can I use your? Yes, Scooty. S-C-O-O-T-Y. Yes, very good. Yes, now what will Komal reply? But for that, you use the dialogue of Rashmi, the answer of Rashmi. Rashmi says, but it is urgent. Means here you can see, but it is urgent. Means that here Komal refuses. So, what to say? Komal says that, no, I am sorry. And that is why, so here we have to write, no, I am sorry. Okay, let's write. Be ready for that. Komal says, no, I am sorry. Yes, S-O-R-R-Y. Okay, very good. Have you completed your writing? Okay, you check your writing. Have you written properly or not? Yes, very good. Now let's see the dialogue between Vedansh and Jay. Vedansh says, I want to go to Baroda. I don't know the time of the next train. Can you tell me the time? Very good. Can you tell me the time? Vedansh will ask like this. Can you tell me the time? Okay, then let's write. Are you ready for writing? Yes, very good. Then start writing. Can you tell? Yes, T-E-L-L. Can you tell me? Yes, M-E. Can you tell me the time? Yes, T-I-M-E. Can you tell me the time? Very good. What will Jay reply? No. Means Jay does not know the time. No, I don't know. No, I'm sorry. No, I can't help you. Okay, we can write various answers here. So let's write, no, I don't know. Yes, be ready for writing. Right there. No, I don't know. K-N-O-W. Yes. Now what will Vedansh reply? Yeah. Vedansh will say, it's okay. Then let's write there. Vedansh says, it's, yes, okay. Okay.
Students, let's start with activity 6A. Are you ready with the page number 9? Look at the example. Vikas is ill. You remember Janaki? She was also not feeling well. Means ill. Vikas is ill. He is going to school. Vikas is ill. He is going to school. Now in this situation, you have to give suggestions to Vikas. Now what are the suggestions? You should not go to school. We are telling to Vikas. આપણે વિકાસને સજેશન આપી રહ્યા છીએ. You should not go to school. Why he should not go to school? Because Vikas is ill. Vikas or you should not go to school. Another suggestion. You should go to a doctor. Vikas is ill. So suggestion is you should go to a doctor. Now students, we have Vikas in 5 different situations and pay attention. પહેલી situation શું કહેવા માંગે છે? Vikas is cutting a tree. You are watching him. You should not cut. C-U-T. Cut. You should not cut the tree. ચલો બીજું સજેશન જોઈએ. Cut the tree is a bad thing. So we used should not. Now for second suggestion, we have save trees. Saving trees is a good thing. So what will we use? Very good. Correct. Should. Here comes should. You should. S-H-O-U-L-D. You should save trees. Now let us move on to second situation. Second situation is Vikas is crossing the signal. The red light is on. તો શું સજેશન આપીશું? રેડ લાઇટ ક્રોસ કરવી જોઈએ કે નહીં કરવી જોઈએ? કરેક્ટ. નાઉ લેટ અસ fill up the sentence. You should not cross the red signal. Now the second suggestion. Once again, hint is already given. You blank wait there. શાની વેઇટ કરીશું? Yes, you should wait there. હવે third situation સમજીએ. Vikas is weak. He does not eat fruits. You should not eat junk food. What we should eat? Yes, it's given in the situation only. What Vikas should eat? Yes, eat fruits. But he does not. So our suggestion would be you should eat fruits. We should eat fruits. Fruits are good things. Fourth situation. Vikas has 2 pencils. His friend has no pencil. So suggestion શું આપીશું? It's already written. You have to just fill up a word or 2 words here. You blank a pencil to your friend. You should give a pencil to your friend. Now fifth and the last situation. Vikas is walking slowly. He is walking very slow. His school bell rang. So what will be the suggestion? You blank slowly. You should not walk slowly. Why we should not walk slowly? Because bell has rung. You should not walk slowly. Second suggestion ma already fast લખેલું છે. Let's fill up the second suggestion. You should walk fast because bell has rung. School bell has rung in the morning. You should walk fast. So students, now we understood when to use should and when to use should not. Now you are ready with activity 6B. આ ટેબલના સેન્ટેન્સીસને મેચ કરીશું. Read the sentences given on A side and match them with the sentences given on B side. I am reading the situations and their responses for you. First, it is late and you are very tired. Number 1 response is you should go to bed. Number 2, the station is very far from here. Response is we should take an auto. Number 3, the red traffic light is on. મારી સાથે સાથે તમારે જવાબ આપવાનું છે. જે લોકોએ આ મેચિંગ કરી લીધું હોય એ લોકો જવાબ બોલશે. Yes, we should stop our car here. Number 4, my friend cannot solve the sums. I should help him. Friend mathsના sum solve નહીં કરી શકતો તો I should help him. Number 5, we should clean the school ground. it is a response. પણ કઈ સિચ્યુએશનમાં? Because it is dirty. Yes, if the school ground is dirty, we should clean the school ground. Next, you should not touch the electric plug. Now, in which situation we should not touch electric plug? Yes, when our hands are wet. Your hands are wet. Seventh, we should not take this route. તમારા મનમાં પ્રશ્ન થયો હશે, why? કેમ આ રસ્તે નહીં જવાનું? યાદ છે ને? જવાબ તમે લખ્યું છે. It is a very rough road. We should not take this route because it is a very rough road. She should not reach school late. Why she should not reach school late? Because today is her exam. Activity 6C. વાક્યો યોગ્ય ક્રમમાં નથી એ આડા આવડા છે. તો આવો આપણે આ સેન્ટેન્સીસને યોગ્ય ક્રમમાં ગોઠવીએ. નંબર 1. Once a man was visiting the zoo. Number 2. He was in the section of the wild animals. Number 3. He was at the cage of the lion. Number 4. He went very near the cage. Number 5. He was teasing the lion. He was teasing the lion. Number 6. The lion became angry. Number 7. Suddenly the lion roared and grabbed his hand between its jaws. Number 8. The zoo staff came there. Number 9. They tried hard, but they could not save his hand. Number 10. The lion ate up his hand up to the shoulder. Number 11. They took the man to the hospital. Number 12. The man repented a lot. Number 13 and last sentence. A staff member said to him, "You should not tease animals." Students, I am reading the instruction for you. You also pay attention here. Some pupils or students from Veerpur Primary School are on a visit to the zoo. They are mischievous, naughty. Advise them according to the given situations. Some pupils are making loud noise, and our suggestion is they should not make loud noise. હવે second situation. A pupil is teasing the animals, and our response to it is he should not tease the animals. Now the third situation tells about some boys are feeding the monkeys, and we suggested they should not feed the monkeys because it is a bad habit. Some pupils are going near the cage. They should not go near the cage. Let us move on to fifth situation. Some pupils are jumping the queue, and our suggestion is they should not jump the queue. Now, last situation. Some girls are plucking flowers from the garden, and our suggestion is they should not pluck flowers from the garden. So students, today we learnt use of should and should not. I hope Now you are comfortable with the use of should and should not. Keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you for today. Bye.
Today's question: we blank cut trees. Option A should, B cannot, C can, D should not. You have to choose the right answer and send your response to this number 6357399480.